This week, legislation banning gender-affirming care for transgender youth could head to the governor's desk. Today, the Senate Rules Committee looking at the measure before it heads to the floor. It's a controversial decision that's being praised by some politicians and ridiculed by many doctors.
Bans on gender-affirming care will absolutely be harmful to youth.
Today, the General Assembly moving forward with plans to limit access to transition surgeries for transgender youth. The legislation looks to stop public health care facilities from performing and funding procedures and puberty-blocking drugs or cross-sex hormones. Dr. Jennifer Abbott is a North Carolina physician who specializes in gender-affirming care, and she says access to care is critical.
When they finally are able to access that care, you can immediately see positive changes in the mental health of the young people.
But Republicans in Raleigh argue kids thinking of transitioning should get to make that decision on their own when they turn 18.
To make that decision for a child that has that kind of permanent impact on their physical and mental health is something that we don't think is appropriate and we think needs to be stopped.
This weekend on Flashpoint, the top leader in the Senate, Phil Berger, arguing parents should not be making gender decisions for their kids. But doctors are pushing back.
These decisions are really between families. There's no need for legislators or politicians to be involved in those individualized treatment plans.
It's just one of a series of bills affecting transgender youth. Right now, a bill is on Governor Cooper's desk that would ban transgender girls and women from playing on female sports teams.
Make no mistake about it, a transgender female is a biological male, and it's just not fair for the women for that sort of competition.
But the governor is expected to veto that legislation.
And this weekend on Flashpoint, Senator Phil Berger had a lot more to say about these issues. You can watch it now on WCNC Plus, available on Roku and Fire TV.